All right, mic check, mic check. I think I've pressed all the buttons. I see YouTube. Let's make sure it's coming through. I'm not having that craziness happen anymore where YouTube's not catching it. Waiting for the image. Boom. All right, I see the image. We are a go for the afternoon session. Let's see if we can beat Ross the Boss at his own game. Small account challenge, day number, is it 43, session 2. And let's get after it. Took a little trade earlier on YM, huge trade up there at the top, pretty easy to see. Let's get this thing rolling. Welcome back to Vinny's Place. My name is Vinny Mead. If it's your first time with us, man, you've been missing out. It is day 43 of a small account challenge against Ross Cameron in Warrior Trading. Let's take a peek. Here we go. In the afternoon, we've got our 5 trades lined up. Don't forget to follow us over here on our social media. Lots of fun here on Instagram. Learn what we're doing here in Discord. And on our website, you can download the 2-week free trial of the software you are seeing me use here in this trading contest. So, trades 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And of course, we've got our golden blades with the golden edge called Algobox. Don't forget, final week, we've extended it to Labor Day to hook yourself up with the gold pack for the Black Friday offer, which is always our absolute best, but then we're taking an additional $1,000 off of the Black Friday. Are you joking me? Are you crazy, Vinny? Yes? Yes, I am. That's all I got to say about that. Let's roll it. We are right at 6K after my short trade there on YM. I could have held that for longer. Holy cow, look at the full dropout. I didn't get squat out of that, really. Let's take a peek at what we got. So, sitting there at the end of the morning session, we were over 5K this morning. And now we are into the afternoon session. Let's see how we do. Ooh, I like what NQ's bringing. Hold on. What's coming on down here? Let's look at... Hold on, before I just jump into things, let's look at everything. Alright, MACV is slightly mixed. ES is red. And majority red recently on the rest. NQ into the green, coming into a big fat PRZ. Hold on, we need to draw a level right here. F6 that. And what else? High time frame. Let me move this down out of the way. What is NQ doing? High time frame. High time frame. Ooh, we've got space up above us. That's a little. I was looking forward to taking a little short stab at that, but might need to hold first. Let's take a peek at what's rolling around here. ES. Big red there. Let's see if that stays red. I mean, that's my favorite side to play, as you guys know. So let's see if we get any setups coming in here. Wow, we're getting speed. Let's see if we get a racquetball play here. It's feeling racquetballish. We are moving quick into this space here. Coming into the high, right back into the moon. So even if we push through here, I've got 2 levels here I'd like to try to scalp at. Either one of these. Even though it's going to be going against MACV here, I will scalp against that. We're coming to the back of a PRZ here. Got my finger over the sell. And we got that previous pink dot from before. Sitting right on the back of it here. Okay, we're touching it. Level is 15602s. Wait for it. All right, I'm gonna try for it right here. Front of that PRZ. I need to push this, probably give it a little bit more space here. Behind, because I could see it up into these levels up above. Then again, I can always re-add. I always tell you guys, like, okay, I got my finger over the close here. We're pushing too far. I don't want to give up much here. Okay, we're right on that level. Get down into that PRZ. Give me a red. There we go. Okay. Full position attempt, which means I've got my risk on. I got my finger over the close. If we start to push, I'm not going to hold it all the way up to that level above. If we push up above, I will just re-enter. Get down there. Give me that white line. Drop it. Yes. Yes. That's a large timing line. I'm going to have to take some off right there. Don't like that.
Target filled.
Okay, now let's push it out here in the event that we go. Okay, right on the large timing. Gotta be careful of the wiggle and the push.
Target filled.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. I'll close it right there. I'm not gonna get crazy with that. I'll take that for target one. Easy breezy. We've got a PRZ target down here. We've got crosses down below. Right up into the cross off the back of that PRZ. Got that white line right there. What was that one from? From up here, okay. The big picture here. Not much back to the left on that. Okay. Just find our plays. Take our plays. We've got space down there to that PRZ. I'm going to give that one more shot here. Let's see if we can push it down to that PRZ. Okay, not going to get too much out of that. If we get there, fantastic. Yikes. Get down there. Get under there. Yes. Yes. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Get down in there. Drop it. Drop it. We are at the front of that PRZ now, so I need to be very careful here. Drop it. Okay, come on. Push it. Oh, dadgummit. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Let's go. Drop it. Full position. Let's go. Come on. Drop it. Plenty of space here. Come on. We are off after the king. Give me that. Give me that drop. Let's go. How much space we got? We got 15,588 down below. Oh no. Yikes. Stay under that cross. Stay under there. Get under there. Yes. Get it. Get it. Drop it. Drop it. Get there. Get there. Yes. Yes.
Filled.
Go all the way. Come on. Give me those runs. Let's go.
Target filled.
Let's go. Give me that PRZ. Come on. Oh, touch it. Touch it. That's it. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good right there. I'm good. I'm good. Did we get there? 15,588. Yes. That's how we use that line there, folks. What a beauty. All right. ES looking like we're still going to be able to push down. We've got space down on ES, and when that's got space, we've got space as well. Let's look for some more here. King timing. Okay. That is a double delta right there. Let's look for our next setup. Bouncing up off of that level. See if we get some accumulation here. King timing in about 3 bars. Give me a setup. We've got space below us. Next one is 15,577s. RTY is like at a standstill. NQ on the tide just touched into, just notice on the tide it is in a very large, is that a shark? No, I think it's a cipher. Bottom of a cipher off of the tide on NQ. And we just pulled down one entire bar right there on the 89. This is only 89 ticks of space from the high side. Have to be aware of that. Oh man, I was tempted to try to add something right there. We've got space. We have space here. Picking up the speed right there. I'm nervous about a fake out. See that extra speed? So that extra speed tells me what? It tells me we could bounce. So I have to be a little bit careful about that. Okay, see, we're getting that speed. I'd like to, you know, it's very tempting to get on that, but with that kind of speed, I always keep the racquetball in play. Racquetball play in mind, I mean. We've got space there.
Harmonic pattern.
Getting a diamond.
On the twos.
Give me a dot. Give me red. Give me a green. Don't really care which one. I'm on a diamond. What's it gonna be?
Short. Look for a short.
Cipher target up top. Okay. Or give me a red dot somewhere here. We got the diamond. Give me a dot. Where is that coming from? We've got double cross, double move coming in on RTY. RTY is just feeling a little bit too slow for me over there. We do have a cluster showing up over there, so I will keep that in mind here. The speed on NQ is the best right now. You can just look and you can just tell the speed here is best. I'm gonna stick with NQ. Let's see, I'm on trade 2 or on trade 3 now for me. Got some little PRZ targets above me. Or entries if we go. Just a diamond. Needed a dot if I want to get a diamond dot. Okay, there's a diamond dot. I'll take the diamond dot to the long side. Get up there. Thank you.
Filled.
Diamond dot, baby. Diamond dot. Folks, that is why you wait. That's a diamond dot play right there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, we're coming into an HMD. Would love to see this come to this king timing area. And then, man, give me a juicy dot in there. Oh, that would be so good. That would be so good. See what kind of play we get here. Here in sellers. Excuse me. Okay, coming into king timing. Oof, what's it gonna be? Give me a setup. Delta. No doubles, everything's pretty flat. Previous big delta way up here. We would need an equal size delta somewhere over here for the 5s. Things pretty equal sized here. No indication from the delta. Okay, we're on king. Give me a setup. Okay, we're coming into the gray line. Still floating here at that major level. Drop level below us is 15,577s. Above us, it's a pretty good ways up there. PRZ above us. Need a setup. Hearing some buyers. Give me an entry.
Fib dot.
Okay, we got a green dot. And it's just a green dot by itself here. A little nervous to take that. It looks juicy to get up there.
Fib dot. Nasdaq.
Red
120.
dot. Oof. Okay, I need something more than just a dot though. We need Give me something else. Give me double dots, give me diamond dots, give me something. If that dot was closer into that PRZ, that'd be great. Not just taking dots here. We got trades 4 and 5. We got 2 trades left. Give me a cross here and I'll take it. We need a headshot. We need HMD. Oh, and she comes. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Harmonic pattern.
Get that stop back behind the cross and the dot here. Let's go. I've got a PRZ down below me now. A bit nervous about that one up above me. Drop it. Let's go. There we go. Drop it. Let me hear some sellers. Come on. Let me hear the sells. Let's go. Come on now. Drop it. Add to position. Let's go. Right back into my position. Drop it. Oh, dadgummit. No. Drop it. Drop it. Yes. Drop it. This could be a loss here. Not gonna go. We're accumulating here. That's not good. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
Fib dot.
Drop it. Double dots. Let's go. Okay. Double dot headshot PRZ down below. Yes, please. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Oof. Might be accumulation zone. Drop it. Drop it. Oh, don't do that. Don't you do it. Drop it. Yes. 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 Get there. Get there. Give me that. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Get there.
Target.
Yes.
Target
Yes.
filled.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Target filled.
Okay, runners in. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Yes. Drop it. Yes. Yes. King timing. Oh, don't turn up right there. Drop into that PRZ. Yes. Give me red. Give me red. Give me red. Yes. Yes. Drop it.
Harmonic pattern.
Yes.
NASDAQ.
Closed. Closed. Oh, yeah. Get you some. Oh, baby. Yes. Get you some of that.
Filled.
That's what I'm talking about. Get you
Trades.
some.
4 and 5. Yes. Yes. Yes, indeed. Beautiful double dot with a headshot. I will take that all freaking day. That's a beauty. Ooh, you better get you some of that. Oh, yes. And wow, almost stopped to the penny on our level. Look at that, folks. If you don't think these levels are important, I think you might need to double question yourself on that. Look at that. Oh yeah, Down, touched it to the penny. Holy Holy
Fib dot.
shnikes.
Nasdaq
Let the tools
on the
do the work, ladies and gentlemen. That is 5 trades on our trade tracker right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we've got 1 bonus ready to go here. Let's see what happens. NQ has been quite generous, but we want to keep the others in mind
Fib
here.
dot.
The
Nasdaq
RTY is just so
harmonic
slow.
pattern.
Juicy little cluster look over there, but way too slow. Way too slow. It does look like we got a double dot in the 5s. I don't want to chase the final trade here. We are breaking a red. You know what? Yeah, I'll do it. Final trade. Bonus trade here. There's a level right there. A little bit nervous about. We got 23.018. Yeah, it's pretty close by.
Fib dot.
There's not much
Nasdaq
left
on
in
the
that,
twos.
but for a bonus trade,
Fib
we got a
dot.
cluster.
Nasdaq
Oh my
on the twos.
word. That's how you're gonna do me? That's how it's gonna be, huh? Right as I get in, you're gonna pink dot me? Alright, I'm just gonna try to work my way out of this. Push it up in a close. Breaking that red dot. I want to see a break and a push up to 2301s. Come on now. Come on now. Double dot. Red break. We got a pink in the way. That's problematic. Break it. Break it. Break it. Break it. Break it. Come on. Get up in there. Get up in there. Get up in there. Break it.
Long. Look for a long.
Break it. I am in a long. Let's go. Oh, come on, RTY. Look at all the crosses here. This might just be a volume cluster accumulation zone here. I'm a little bit worried about that. Come on, push it. Oh no, that red dot's holding.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the twos.
Nope, I'm gonna close it. I don't want to give it up. We are too close to it. This still could be the absolute final day of the contest, depending on what Ross does here. Let's watch how this one plays out. I got my finger over the buy. I can always re-enter if she starts to really break there, but now that red dot is holding. I would need to see that break through to be able to punch through that 2301. Oof. Yep, solid. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna let that be me as an attempt for the bonus. Didn't go. Very tempting to go off of that double dot to the long, but with these I mean, look at all the crosses here. I haven't seen that many crosses in a location in a very long time. On the 5s, double crosses way down there. And then, I mean, there's that one up above, and it looked like it has space to get there. Not very much space as well, so it's not really worth the risk on that. Again, the reward there was like, you know, pennies. I don't want to say pennies, but you know what I'm saying. There's like, I don't even know if there's 8 ticks of space right there. That's 5, 7. I mean, tops. That's a 7-tick target to that one, and we could hold there. You hear the buyers. I mean, it's very tempting to try to take that. I just want to see if it plays out. Are you gonna get there?
Long. Look for.
If I'm going by feelings, there's a green. Now I've gone green. Yeah, I mean, I have a feeling it was gonna get there. I think it's gonna get there. Now I'm actually, just out of pure curiosity, I want to see it there. But man, look, I should have stuck with NQ. NQ, I'll show you guys what NQ. There it goes. Boom. So again, I would have had to, you know, it would have been like a 6 or 7 tick winner, and not really worth it on my final trade here. Trying to stay up here. 9,500. I'm pretty happy closing out with that. We are 5 trades in. I did the 6. Then look at NQ though. Man, beautiful HMD play right there. Coming into multi-harmonics. Green dot gives you the umph into the PRZs.
NASDAQ
And
on the Tuesday.
that's a free money. That's free money target right there. No heat whatsoever. Boom, enters, wiggles, little bit, boom, pushes up and in. That's a beauty. And look at that, to the penny off of our level. There is a level up above. Again, there's more to go here, but we're close to the end of the day. We're coming in on double timings and whatnot, and things start to get a little bit squirrely there, and I'm not going to press my luck. We are at the end of the game. I am 2 sessions in today and feeling pretty good. What do you think about that there, Trump?
Look at this guy. So shiny. Okay. I love it.
Oh, you love it? I love hearing that there, Trump. Let's pull up our stats.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. My music is
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
All right, let's come on down here to the main event, the main window. In this championship round of Algobox versus Ross Cameron and Warrior Trading, we are in the final rounds. And early morning session, 5K. Let's see how we are now. 8886.44 profit factor. Huge profit factor today. Market's moving real nice and easy for us today. 87%. Oh, look at that. 87% and 8.77 profit factor. Fancy, fancy, fancy stuff there. Loving it. Drawdown looks good for where we targeted. Yeah, feeling pretty good about the stats. Let's look at our hold times. Hold times 2 minutes. 2.13. That's awesome. Okay, so let's pull up
NASDAQ on the
some
Tuesday.
analysis over our trading contest. Back to July the 5th when we began this. Day number 43 of the contest. Let's go to the trades and look at the mountain that we're climbing. That is a beauty.
and I'm a beast.
Feeling pretty good about that. Really pushing it there at the end. Trying to show Ross who's boss. Hand him a loss from Algobox. Oh yes. All right, so there's our trades. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, nice and smooth. And then those pickup days where I am doing 2 sessions per day. Yesterday we did technically 3 because I hit that last 30 minutes of the day as well. So 3 sessions yesterday. That was the big push yesterday. 2 sessions today. Yeah, feeling pretty good about that. The competitor in me is blood boiling, ready to cook something. You know what I'm saying?
You smell what the rocket's cooking? Oh.
Yes. Okay. End of day obviously has been my bread and butter. Don't trade much of the morning sessions, just doing to my personal schedule with the kids, etc. They've been very generous and understanding of Daddy wanting to come out here and smash.
On the Tuesday.
Oh man, is that a double dot? Oh, that juicy double dot just came in right there. So juicy. Oh, look what happened on RTY. Holy shnikes. Hit that level. And then Shark comes in. Beautiful Shark back play. Shark back PRZ. Look at that. Target down there to the PRZ. Oh, man. That's so juicy. Okay, don't get tempted now, Vinny. Let's not get tempted. Not do it. Let's check our stats. Let's see how we're at, where we're at here with the competition. So, we need to go to summary page. So where are we? 70! We'll just call it 74K, my friend. That is beautimous. 65% profitable, 2.49 profit factor. That is where our system shines. That max drawdown, remember, came from a day when there was high emotions. You guys can go watch that whole thing on that drawdown that day. Again, that is not a lost day from that day. I literally came back from that. You can go watch that whole session on the max drawdown. It still is important to focus on, you know, what a max drawdown is and what's, you know, what are its causes, etc. So go watch that day. It's big and labeled on my YouTube channel there for the big day. We did have some lost days. I think we had 4 lost days during our tournament so far. How do I see that? Daily and go to cumulative. Oh, there's our standout days there. 2 end days with multiple sessions. And now let's look at max drawdowns. So again, been pretty steady across the boards except for our outlier day there. And yeah, I mean, it can happen. Again, you don't have to trade perfect to be profitable. We say that all the time. But when you got a system like AlgoBox, it makes things a lot easier, that's for sure. All right, cumulative X drawdown, just a different view of the same thing. And let's go to intraday stats, day of the week. So Wednesday, as we've said before, we talked a lot about that yesterday as to why, you know, Wednesdays, we got all that activity that comes in on Wednesdays, crude oil inventories, housing numbers, we've got holidays that push their activity over to toward the end of the week. We've got FOMC days there. We've got big release days. Tends to be the biggest 2 release days for earnings reports are Wednesdays and Thursdays. All that type of stuff, and you can kind of see that, and we're going to see that in our stats over time. The time of day is less so. That just happens to be when I'm coming in. Our system works very well in the morning, very well in the afternoon, and you can even trade the LunchBot session, turn LunchBot on, run through lunch as well. Lots of ways to kind of skin that cat with our system. If you guys have questions on any of that, of course you can hook it up over there in Discord. Wow, market all of a sudden start to take off here. That's that 350 algo, final 10 minutes of the day. Starting to get crazy there. Amazing. I think we've looked at all of the cool stats here, and I feel like I'm missing something, but yeah, that's it. Main thing that you do need to make sure that you're not missing out on, we're releasing the website, the mobile app that's coming, all that kind of good stuff. Labor Day is Monday, next Monday, so we've extended the gold offer. Again, that is the Black Friday offer, best deal we ever do all year. We've never done this before with Black Friday, plus an additional $1,000 off, and it's including 3 robots for those of you guys who are getting in right now, not just the LunchBot, but you're also getting 2-finger salute, full auto, plus the infamous headshot bot, which we took a couple of those today. Wow, what's just amazing trade setups there for today, and feeling pretty good about that finish. Oh man, there's so many good setups coming in right now. Don't be tempted. Don't be tempted. We are done. I'm gonna wrap it up right here. Thanks for hanging out, folks. For me, Pippi, Robbie, LunchBot, Mod Squad, Curtis G. Don't forget to hit that button right there. And the rest of the gang, let's sit down the big sound. See ya.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the twos.